Creating a freelance system for delivering weekly content can be a game changer for your business, and in this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to build that system. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by managing deadlines and keeping your clients happy week after week, this video is for you. Stay tuned because I'm going to give you a proven strategy for a smooth, predictable, and repeatable process that makes freelance content delivery feel effortless. First, let's talk about the key elements of a freelance system. The foundation starts with organization. You need a centralized space for tracking tasks, deadlines, and client feedback. That's where software comes in. Our software is perfect for this, and I'll share an exclusive free trial with you in the description below. Once you've got the right tool, the next step is setting up a content calendar. Plan out your weekly content ahead of time. This allows you to map out the entire week's work before it even begins. The calendar should include everything: deadlines, feedback periods, and even room for revisions. Your goal here is to build a predictable workflow that frees you up to focus on quality content rather than scrambling to meet deadlines. Next, you need an efficient communication system. Frequent, clear communication with clients is essential. Set expectations up front. How will you communicate? What's the process for providing feedback? In our system, you can automate follow-up emails so no one forgets to send or approve something. This saves you time, reduces confusion, and keeps everything on track. Now let's talk about templates and repeatable processes. For each type of content you're creating, whether it's blog posts, social media updates, or video scripts, create templates. These act as your blueprint and will help you speed up the creation process, saving time without sacrificing quality. Using a structured template lets you focus more on the creative aspects and less on the administrative stuff. Don't forget about client approvals. You need a process in place for getting final approval on each piece of content. One option is to set up automated approval workflows in our software, where clients can easily approve, request changes, or even leave comments. This keeps everything organized and you never lose track of feedback. The final piece of the puzzle is reporting. You want to track your progress, review what's working, and optimize what's not. Set up weekly reports or check-ins with clients so they can see the results of your work. Our software lets you generate reports in seconds, and it gives you an easy way to share them with clients, all while looking super professional. To recap, creating a freelance system for delivering weekly content means organizing tasks, planning with a content calendar, communicating effectively, using templates, automating approval workflows, and setting up easy reporting. This approach will help you stay on top of your work, reduce stress, and build long-term client relationships. And before I go, don't forget to grab the exclusive free trial of our software in the description below to follow along and streamline your freelance content process. With the right system in place, you'll be able to deliver high-quality content every week without the headaches. Key takeaway: consistency and organization are key to delivering weekly content successfully as a freelancer. By putting the right systems and tools in place, you make your work flow seamlessly. Make sure to take advantage of the free trial and start creating your own freelance system today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.